Hey guys, D-Man here, and today I'm doing a review on this new Royal Roadhouse Blizzard. Royal Roadhouse Blizzard. It's only for the royals like me. I'm just joking, not royal. But it is a Royal Roadhouse Blizzard. I don't know what makes it royal or what makes it the difference. I think there's like more chocolate in the middle if I'm not mistaken or something like that. But yeah, it's Royal Roadhouse Blizzard, so let's try it out. First impressions. Not the best. Their best Blizzard is Smarty, I would say. This on the other hand, not the best, but not too bad. It just tastes like kind of ice cream, but with nuts and a little bit of marshmallow, I think. But mostly like a nutty flavor. It's okay. Anyways, I'll be right back with the full review. Just a reminder to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Alright, back to the video. So, I just finished this new Royal Rocky Road Blizzard. Was it good? It was okay for what it was. I guess I just don't really like Rocky Road ice cream that much. But, it was okay. Was it royal? I don't know. I'm not royal, so I've never eaten royal stuff. Not royal. I don't know royal people, so I've never eaten royal stuff, but I kind of doubt it. It was just okay. Wasn't the best. I'd still go for their Smarty Blizzard over this. Because Smarty is the best Blizzard they have. Yep, it's pretty much Smarty. But Rocky Road, it's okay. Average. But anyways, that's my review on this. Hope you liked it. If you did, like, comment, share. As always, my friends, stay sane. Peace. I hope you liked that video, guys. Because if you did, there's more videos. Just click on one or whatever. And then you'll be watching more videos, I guess. I don't know what else to say. Just be watching more videos. Maybe there's a food one again. I don't know. Enjoy.